this new museum, if you please. My kid can't see. Megamind. Oh, bravo, Metro. Should have known you'd try to crash the party. Oh, I intend to do more than crash it. This is a day you, as a atrocity, shall not soon forget. It's pronounced Metro City. Oh, potato, tomato, potato, tomato. We all know how this ends, with you behind bars. Oh, I'm shaking in my custom baby seal leather boots. You will leave Metrocity, or this will be the last you ever hear of Roxanne Richards. Huh? Don't panic, Roxy. I'm on my way.
I'm not panicking.
In order to stop me, you need to find me first, Metro Man.
We're at the abandoned observatory.
Aha! No, we're not! Don't listen to her! She's crazy! Hold on a second. Oh, good heavens. You didn't think you were in the real observatory, did you?